Introducing the vegetable cutter, a kitchen essential that takes the hassle out of meal preparation and transforms your culinary experience. This isn't just any cutter. It's a versatile kitchen companion designed to make slicing and dicing vegetables a breeze. Say goodbye to tedious chopping sessions and welcome the vegetable cutter into your kitchen, because preparing fresh and healthy meals should be as easy as it is delicious. This vegetable cutter isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a time-saving wizard. With its sharp blades and ergonomic design, it effortlessly tackles a variety of vegetables, turning them into uniform slices or dices in seconds. No more wrestling with unwieldy knives or shedding tears over onions. The vegetable cutter is here to streamline your food prep process. It's not just a cutter, it's a culinary assistant. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any kitchen gadget, it's a space-saving virtuoso. Its compact size allows it to fit seamlessly into your kitchen drawer, and some models even come with storage containers to keep your freshly cut vegetables organized. The vegetable cutter is not just about efficiency, it's about maximizing convenience in your culinary endeavors. It's not just a cutter, it's a spatial optimization genius. And versatility, unmatched. Whether you're whipping up a stir-fry, creating a salad, or preparing a hearty soup, the vegetable cutter adapts to your cooking needs with various blade attachments. It's not just a cutter, it's a multifunctional kitchen companion that enhances your culinary creativity. But wait, there's more. This cutter isn't just about practicality, it's about safety. With features like non-slip bases and finger guards, the vegetable cutter prioritizes your well-being during food preparation. It's not just a cutter, it's a kitchen ally that values your safety in the pursuit of delicious meals. Picture this, you effortlessly slicing and dicing an array of colorful vegetables with the vegetable cutter, transforming your kitchen into a culinary haven. It's not just about cooking, it's about creating a delightful and stress-free meal preparation experience. Your kitchen is not just a space, it's a well-equipped culinary workshop with the vegetable cutter at the center. In essence, the vegetable cutter is not just a kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's for those who understand that cooking should be enjoyable, efficient, and accessible. Remember to subscribe and like.